Have you ever met someone and instantly trusted them? Like within seconds, you just knew they were genuine? On the flip side, have you ever talked to someone and felt something was off, even if you couldn't explain why? Think about the last person you instantly trusted. Was it their smile, their energy, something they said? Now think about someone you didn't trust. What was different? Trust isn't just about what you say. It's about how you make people feel. Here's the crazy thing. Harvard research shows we decide whether to trust someone within 7 seconds of meeting them. That's faster than you can tie your shoes. When someone trusts you, their brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. And once that happens, they're more likely to like you, listen to you, and even agree with you. So how do we trigger that? And the good news? You can learn how to create that instant trust with anyone, whether it's a job interview, a first date, or even a random stranger. Today, we'll explore dark psychology techniques used by master persuaders, con artists, spies, and negotiators, and how you can use them ethically to build genuine trust in seconds. Stick with me to the end, because the last method might just change how you connect with everyone in your life. The 5 keys to instant trust. Key number 1, master the first 7 seconds, body language hacks. Before you speak, your body is screaming messages. Here's how to control it. The 3-second eye smile. A fake smile? People spot it instantly. Instead, when you meet someone, pause for 3 seconds. Relax your face, then smile slowly, like you just recognized an old friend. The brain says, they weren't trying to impress me. They were glad to see me. This works because delayed smiling shows you processed the moment, then reacted. And that makes you appear more trustworthy than someone who grins before the door even closes, the power pose, but subtle. Stand tall, but not stiff. Shoulders back, palms visible, no hidden hands. Pro tip, if sitting, lean slightly forward, signals engagement. Mirroring, match their tone, energy, and even posture. If they cross legs, wait 10 seconds, then do it subtly. Science shows, mimicry releases dopamine, makes them subconsciously like you more. Want to test it? Next time you're in conversation, match the person's sitting posture or pace of speech. Watch their shoulders drop. That's trust building without a word. The 70% rule. Hold eye contact 70% of the time. Too little, getting shifty. Too much, shing creepy. Key number 2, vulnerability equals trust accelerant. Most people try to impress to gain trust. Big mistake. A small flaw makes you relatable. The perfect person paradox. If you seem flawless, people assume you're hiding something. Instead, share a tiny struggle. Example, I used to be terrified of public speaking. My first speech, I forgot my own name. The pratfall effect. Competent plus a small mistake equals more likable than just competent. Studies show that a job candidate who spilled coffee after acing questions was rated higher than one who didn't. How to do it right. Share a past weakness, not a current one. Example, back when I started, not I'm terrible at. Once I was at a networking event, and instead of saying I'm an expert in, I said, you know, when I first started, I had no idea what I was doing. I even messed up the basics. And instantly, the other person relaxed and started sharing their own struggles. That's the power of being real. Key number 3, active listening, not just waiting to talk. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So instead of thinking of your next response, listen. Then summarize what they said before adding your thoughts. Most people listen just waiting to talk. Big mistake. Here's how to listen like a pro. The 2-second pause rule. After they finish speaking, wait 2 seconds before responding. Shows you processed their words. The reflective echo, them. Work's been insane lately. You. insane how, like deadlines, or why it works, makes them feel heard, not just heard. The eyebrow flash trick. When they say something important, quickly raise eyebrows, universal "I'm engaged" signal. Avoid the "me too" trap. Don't hijack their story like "that happened to me too." Instead, ask a follow-up question. Tag someone who needs to see this. Key number 4, the name game. It's deeper than you think. Using someone's name isn't just polite, it's neurological warfare in a good way. The sweet spot rule. Say their name twice. Once when greeting, once later. More than that feels salesy. The name anchor trick. Struggle to remember names? Link theirs to an image. Example, Lisa. Lisa with the laugh like a melody. The mid-convo power move. When thanking them, use their name. Like, "That's so helpful, John." Key number 5. Consistency equals trust. Compound interest, trust, isn't built in one moment. It's compounded through tiny actions. If you say you'll call, call. If you promise to follow up, do it. Small reliability moments add up fast. The 5-minute promise rule. If you say you'll email them in 5 minutes, do it in 3. Over-deliver on micro-promises. The foot in the heart technique. People trust those who remember small details. Example, "How's your dog, Max?" The unexpected follow-up. After a meeting, send a relevant article like, "Saw this and thought of our chat about X." YouTube hides videos like this from people who don't engage. If this helped, smash like so others see it too. 4, bonus, the quick trust trick. Want a fast way to make someone trust you? Ask for small advice. Example, "Hey, you seem like you know a lot about X. What's your take on Y?" This makes them feel valued and subconsciously trusts you more because they helped you. Trust isn't given, it's quietly earned, often before a single word is spoken. Through subtle actions like mirroring someone's posture, offering genuine eye contact, or revealing a small piece of your story, you tap into deep, instinctive human wiring. People don't just trust what they hear, they trust what they feel. And when you make someone feel seen, heard, and understood, even without saying much, they begin to lean in, to believe, to open up. But remember, these techniques carry weight. They must be used ethically, because with the power to build trust comes the responsibility to protect it. If you found value in this breakdown of the silent ways we influence others, like, share, and subscribe for more dark psychology insights. This is the Silent Psych, where we don't just observe the mind, we decode it.